how to deposit money on Phantom Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So over here in Phantom Wallet, what you're going to do is you're going to click on receive. Over here, simply copy any of the address of the cryptocurrency that you're going to receive. For example, Solana, simply copy the address over here. And now go to any exchange app or platform. For example, over here we have Bybit. Assuming we have our Solana or we have our cryptocurrency from Bybit, simply go to assets over here and click on withdraw. Simply select the specific cryptocurrency, for example, Sol over here, and you're just simply going to paste your address over here and simply enter the amount that you want to transfer. That's how you will be able to deposit money on Phantom Wallet. If you want to convert your money into Solana, we could do it over here as well. So when you select USD over here, and then you could select what you want it to be converted to. So if you search here Sol or other type of cryptocurrency over here, for example USDT, you could also do that and you could transfer USDT as well. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.